So finally we hitting the TP2, you know what I'm saying? We're hitting the TP2, and I also got the rest, you know what I'm saying? Look at this, you feel me? You know, AUD, feel what I'm saying? GBPUSD, you can see it's going so crazy, you know the vibe, you know what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? Look at this. You see, I already shifted the stop loss. You know what I'm saying? If you were not here, let me show you where I took the entry from. This is where I took the entry from. I took the entry from this point here. From here. Now you see that I already, I was already protecting my profit. You feel what I'm saying? You know, it's because I don't want my profit to become a loss. You feel me? So if you can see on the chart here, I have a UD JPY, which is already, bumped the trend line. You feel me? So now I'll be just waiting. You know what I'm saying? I'll be just waiting. So fam, guess what I'm gonna do? Since AUD JPY, it's already bumped my stop loss. It's already bumped my my trend line. You feel what I'm saying? And now I'm gonna be patient. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna take entry. I'm not gonna do anything. I just gonna be patient. You know what I'm saying? This is what I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for like 3 things. First of all, I'm gonna wait for the pullback. You feel what I'm saying? Let me show you what I mean on the chart. Because I want everybody to understand this part, because this is the part of making money. You know what I'm saying? If you already have the information, then you're going to start making this money easy. You feel me? I'm trying to share all my information with you guys so that you won't be having a headache again when we come to the chart. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to the market. Minutes time frame. So you see here, now I'm gonna wait for the candlestick, the rejection, same as this one. You feel me? I'm gonna wait for the same thing right here. If something appears this point here, this is where I'm gonna enter the market. You feel me? It doesn't mean just because the market already reached the trend line, then you're going to enter the market. Sometimes the market is gonna break out the trend line, and then once the market break out the trend line, it's all good. I'm gonna wait for the pullback. Let me show you what I mean by that. You feel me? Let me show you what I mean by that. If the market is gonna break the trend line this way, Pop, it's all right. I'm sure around this point the market is gonna pull back. You feel me? I'm not gonna be in the market at the moment. I'm gonna be outside. So as soon as I get this pullback right here, this is where I will start paying attention at. You feel me? Then once I'll be expecting to, I'll be expecting to continue with the market after the pullback. You feel me? Type shit. You know what I'm saying? So I hope, this is something you need to know and you need to keep in mind. This is the free mentorship. Pay attention to this. This is the free mentorship. You feel me? Because look at this. This is the same thing what happened here. You see, this is the same thing which happened here. We got a breakout, and then after breakout, we got a pullback. After pullback, we got rejection. You can see the big rejection here. And after the rejection here, I told my team to enter, that we're gonna enter the market, and our exit was around this point. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to give them all this much, because you can see this was my, my really take profit over here. You know what I'm saying? This was my really take profit, but I was like, yo, you know what? You guys must get out, safe around this area. You feel what I'm saying? And I think I also I also gonna take my profit right now, you feel me? I also gonna take my profit right now. You know what I'm saying? As you can see here, I'm in a profit of like, you know, a very beautiful profit for real, I'm not gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? So I also gonna take my profit, you know. I also gonna take my profit because that's cool. Then what I'm gonna do after I take the profit, I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna be waiting on the market. I'm gonna look for another new nice trade. You know what I'm saying? The same one. You know what I'm saying? Imagine like sometimes like the week can end with like 3 trades like this. You know what I'm saying? 3 trades like this. Then you're good for the week. You're good for the week. Just be patient. You know what I'm saying? Be patient. Find a good trade. If you didn't get one, don't rush to be in the market. Chill outside the market. You know what I'm saying? Because even if you can spend the whole week like without finding your favorite opportunity, you didn't get any breakout, you didn't get any market that has been respecting the trend line. It's all right. You're not gonna trade that week because there's no trade in the market. You understand? This is the part which you need to understand. When there is no trade in the market, you have nothing to do. You cannot trade. You know what I'm saying? You can only trade when you have when the market is good. When the market is not good, don't trade. Just keep the money in your account. You feel what I'm saying? Trade only when the market is good. You feel what I'm saying? So guys, I hope I'm feel like I feel like I'm talking too much, I feel like I'm talking too much. Like I give, I feel like I'm taking off my clothes. Like I'm giving all my secrets to you guys. You feel what I'm saying? But it's all good. It's all love. You know what I'm saying? It's all love. It's all love. If you understand, then you already know it's all love, bro. It's all love. I feel like I just want to help you guys out. You know what I'm saying? Give you all the information you need. You know what I'm saying? So that you can start taking care of yourself. You feel what I'm saying? Stop crying about this. Stop crying about the knowledge and type shit. I already give you all the information. This is all you need. This is all you need. Break out the zone. You know what I'm saying? Break out the trend line. Pull back to the zone. Respect the market. Respect to the zone. These are the key levels, bro. Stop just jumping in the market and be like, yo, it's moving. It's going on uptrend. Let me buy. Yo, it's going on downtrend. Let me buy. No, you can't just buy. You can't just sell. You know what I'm saying? You need to wait. Something that, you need to create something. You need to create something which you're going to, you need to create something and wait for it. After that, things ready to be taken and get to the market, get it. You know what I'm saying? So right now, let me just take my profit. You know what I'm saying? Let me take my profit from GBPUSD and EUROCAD. I'm gonna take the profit from everything. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let me take my profit. You know what I'm saying? Let me take my profit. This has been good trade, bro. Like for them, I'm not gonna lie. This one's been so good, So I'm taking my profit, guys. I'm taking my profit because I want to find another new beautiful trade. So hear me out, guys. Don't miss the opportunity, a lot of you guys asking about the free Telegram group and stuff like that. Don't ask no more. The link is on description below. Join the free Telegram group. Join my signal, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Join my signal. But once I send the signal, you must know it's this type of signals. Like for real. Because I'm that guy, bro. I'll be sitting here. You know what I'm saying? I'll be sitting here. You feel me? I'll be sitting here waiting for the market to get ready for you. And once the market is ready, I will send you everything. Take profit, stop loss, and everything, you know what I'm saying? And then we take the same trade, same trade, same trade, same profit I'm gonna make is the same profit you're gonna make too. You feel what I'm saying? So stop playing, stop blowing your account, join the winners. Let's win together. join the free Telegram group. The links on the description below. And for this who've been crying about the the good blocker, guys, I'm keep on plugging you in this. Check the link on the description below for the block which I use. That block is gonna double your capital, like your deposit. Once you deposit any amount from $50 to up to 1,000, they double your deposit. If you deposit $50, they give you $100. If you deposit $200, they give you $400. So they double your amount, your deposit amount, up to 1,000 USD. So do it, go quickly, go crazy, open your real trading account, you feel me? And one thing you must not forget about it, it's gonna end soon. This opportunity, it's only gonna last like for a week from today. You feel what I'm saying? So don't be like, yo, I didn't plug you. I plug you guys, all my plugs, everything. I give you everything that I know, So peace out, guys. Do the right things. Save yourself. Peace out.